Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, March 15th, 2021. It is Motivational Monday. Do not stress, just do your best. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today we'll have breakfast, and for lunch we'll have chicken bites. Tomorrow we'll also have breakfast, and for lunch we'll have turkey roast. We have two birthdays today. They are Tatiana Bonner and Caden Parker. Happy birthday, ladies! A reminder today, we will have testing environment starting today. There will be testing held in both the labs and in the second grade classrooms. Please avoid these areas if possible, and if not, be sure you are silent to not disturb testing. Also, late duty this week. Today, it will not be Miss McKinney, it will be Miss Stowe. On the 16th, Miss Duberg. On Wednesday, Miss Granger. On Thursday, Miss Peralta. And on Friday, possibly Miss Jones. Important dates. We have ACAP summative testing starting today. That is exciting. We have our AMSTI PD on Wednesday. The 24th we have PST. The 26th third quarter ends. After that we have spring break, spring pictures, and we'll finish up testing. Our ACAP PEP partners. Today our second graders begin testing. Their partners are Pre-K and Overstreet. So make sure we are all cheering on our testing partners as they begin testing and are working really hard this week to show what they know. Our word of the day is gram. A gram is the standard unit of mass in the metric system, okay? And 1 gram is the mass of about 1 paper clip, okay? So 1 gram is not very heavy. It's about the mass of a paper clip. So there is a gram. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.